Hello, Dan.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening too.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Daniel Esmoso.
Where do you live?
I live in Porok, Golden Shower, Malabog, Davao City.
Who is your father?
My father is Mr. Ronnie C. Mozo.
What about your mother?
My mother is Mrs. Danny S. Mozo.
Okay. What grade are you in?
Grade 5.
How old are you?
I am 10.
10 years old?
Yes.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Ma'am Jeanette T. Ipan.
Okay. When is your birthday?
I was born on August 20, 2014.
What is your course desire?
My course desire is engineering.
Okay. Do you want to be a pastor?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you want to follow your father as your father followed Jesus Christ?
Yes.
Okay, very good. What's your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is wait a minute. Maybe a turkey.
Okay. Do you have a turkey?
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
White.
Why white?
I have a turkey white a long time ago.
Wow, it's nice. What's your favorite hero?
My favorite hero is Jesus.
Wow, Jesus. Why Jesus? Because
Jesus saved many people.
wow, very good. Okay, so Jesus is your hero.
Yes.
At the same time, your savior.
Yes.
Okay.